Welcome to Did You Know, where we share fun and fascinating facts. Today's topic might surprise you: honey, nature's eternal sweetener. Did you know that honey never really goes bad? We're not kidding. Ancient Egyptians knew this secret, hiding pots of honey in their tombs over 3,000 years ago. And guess what? Those pots were discovered intact, and yes, they tasted just like honey. Here's how honey defies the test of time. It contains extremely low water content and high acidity, making it unfriendly terrain for bacteria, yeasts, and molds that cause food spoilage. In fact, scientists haven't been able to find anything that can reliably spoil honey. But wait, there's more. Crystallization doesn't mean your honey has gone bad either, quite the contrary. Over time, honey granulates due to the natural glucose present in it. To reliquify crystallized honey, simply place the jar in warm water, stirring gently until clear again. So next time you think about tossing out that dusty old bottle of honey lurking in the back of your pantry, remember, age only adds character to this amazing golden delight. Share this sweet fact with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing tidbits. Thanks for watching.